needs to go down 2. So it's left, going down 2. It's hard to see this because it's broken, and then it's kind of steep. If I change the steepness, maybe it's easier to see. There we go. Do you guys see how it's moved left 5 and down 2?
Oh, it always goes to the right, basically.
Right.
Okay.
It does. It always moves to the right, and now it's underneath.
Okay.
Last one, a circle. X squared plus y squared equals 1 is the original one. This is the one thing you cannot graph on your calculator. I mean, technically you can. You just have to use 2 different functions to do it. And the reason why... Yeah, exactly. So it's like the top half of the circle and the bottom half of the circle, but it can't be a parabola because it stops. So it's like here, and then it stops, right? And then the bottom half stops. All right, here we go. It's like, the original is like a tiny little circle with a radius of 1. And this one's a little different. It is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. What do you think h and k are this time? Take a guess. What do you think h does?
Diameter. Left and right.
H moves it left and right. Opposite of what you think. What's k do? Up and down. This one also moves it opposite this time. Can you guys see why? See the minus right there? That y minus k? Just like this one's an x minus h. Both opposite of what we think. And r stands for radius. So essentially HK is the center of the circle.
Are you saying we can't graph this?
You can. It just has to be in 2 different pieces. So if I solve for y right now, it would be 1 minus x squared and the square root of that. So if you really wanted to do it, it would be like this. It would be, let's see, second square root of 1 minus x squared on the inside. And then the other one would be negative second square root of 1 minus x squared. And if you graphed both of those, it would draw the top half of the circle and the bottom half of the circle and make a circle. And you could make it a bigger circle if you wanted to by just changing that 1 on your radius. Like if I change it to 9, then it would have a radius of 3 because it's 9 squared. So it would go to that 3 by 3 circle. Isn't it cute? Okay, so let me be clear about what's going to happen on Monday. Tuesday. Monday, we're all going to be relaxing. Everybody good on that? Good. Tuesday, I'm going to do a very short video on how to do f of x, just for those of you who have forgotten. Your homework or assignment will be maybe like 3 problems on f of x, maybe 3 problems on graphing these functions, and then I'd say I'm going to put maybe another like 8 more, where I'm just going to do a smattering of across the course. Will everything that's on the final be on the review tomorrow?
Yes.
No. 100% no. Okay? Remember, you got the final over 2 days. You get a partner, and you even get to talk to the rest of the class on the second day. Okay? But this one will help you review what I'm going to do before I leave and what I will leave for you. And I'm going to, Crystal, it'll be in the back of the classroom. I'm gonna make an answer key to the review and just leave it back there with all my work shown, okay? So that you feel comfortable checking it, and I'll be there on Wednesday for you to ask questions, okay?
Cool.